Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 kit, a serious contender for anyone looking to supercharge their server, workstation, or even a high-end PC. This kit isn't playing around. We're talking about 4 sticks of 32GB DDR4 running at a respectable 3200 MHz. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM, so this kit is built for demanding tasks. It's ECC unbuffered UDMM, which is crucial for data integrity, especially in environments where errors simply aren't an option. Think servers crunching critical data or workstations handling complex simulations. The 2RX8 configuration and CL22 latency are standard for this type of memory, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance. The big question is, who is this RAM for? Well, if you're constantly hitting memory limits, whether you're running virtual machines, editing massive video files, or dealing with huge data sets, 128GB could be a game changer. It allows you to keep more applications and files open simultaneously, reducing lag and improving overall responsiveness. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, and most users should be able to handle it themselves with a little care and reference to their system's manual. Just make sure your motherboard supports 32GB DIMMs and the total capacity. NEMIX RAM also backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality. Plus, they offer IT support, which could be a lifesaver if you run into any compatibility issues or have questions about installation. While this NEMIX RAM kit might be overkill for the average user, for professionals and enthusiasts pushing their systems to the limit, it represents a significant upgrade path. The combination of high capacity, ECC error correction, and a solid warranty makes it a compelling choice for those who need rock-solid stability and performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.